Don't use ginger if you have any of these conditions. You are surely aware of the numerous medicinal properties of ginger, and the beneficial effects of its use in numerous treatments. It has excellent effects in the case of digestive disorders, as it is high in enzymes which help digestion and food decomposition, and also detoxify the body. Yet, you should also be aware of the fact that there are also cases when people should avoid this root. Despite the potent bioactive compounds and nutrients it contains, ginger is not beneficial in certain medical conditions. You should avoid ginger in the following 4 cases. 1. Underweight. Ginger is high in fiber and boosts the pH levels in the stomach, as well as the production of digestive enzymes, leading to better fat burning process and reduced appetite, weight loss, poor muscle mass, hair loss, and menstrual irregularities. 2. Blood disorders. This nutritious plant boosts blood circulation and is, therefore, useful in the case of obesity, diabetes, peripheral artery disease or Raynaud's disease, but not in the case of hemophilia, a condition when the blood has lost its ability to clot. Ginger might even worsen the situation, and it neutralizes the effects of the drugs for this condition. 3. Pregnancy. Ginger is rich in stimulants which help digestion and support muscle health, but in pregnant women, it can cause premature contraction and labor, so its use during the last trimester of the pregnancy is strictly forbidden, even though it might soothe the morning sickness. Also, this plant also disrupts the absorption of dietary iron and fat-soluble vitamins. 4. Certain medications. You should also avoid ginger if you take diabetes or high blood pressure medication, as if combined with insulin, beta blockers, and anticoagulants might alter the effects of the drugs. This is due to the fact ginger stimulates blood thinning and reduces blood pressure. What is a good substitute for ginger? If you belong to one of these 4 risk groups, substitute this ingredient with cayenne pepper, sweet peppers, or red paprika. According to the world popular nutritionist Milka Resevic, peppers provide effects similar to those of ginger. So, if you're a fan of spicy foods, choose red paprika, and if you are not, go with sweet peppers. You can even add them to your lemonade to make an excellent detox drink for your body. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.